I guess meron pang ibang tanong ang ating
Meron naman.
searcher.
I haven't made the decision yet based on their answers.
And their OOTD.
And their OOTD. So my second question is, I'm very busy. Hindi ako nagluluto, but I want to date someone who is good in the kitchen. So, kung kayo ay magluluto para sa akin, ano ang lulutuin mo and
Fast
why?
food! Fast food!
Okay.
Fast food!
But,
Fast food! Fast food! Fast food! Fast food!
buti
yun
na lang searchy number 2
Oo.
talaga ang una.
Alam ko talaga, nabasa ko na yung script eh. Fast food, yun lang. Yun lang!
A person of few words, no?
Apo, yes. Tatawagin na po ba namin ang ice nyo? Ay, oo nga. Dahil handa po ang searchy number 1. Handa po ang searchy number 1.
Thank you.
Very nice. Well-trained. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, let's hear it for searchy number 3. Ano ang iluluto mo para kay Kylie?
Napakagandang tanong. Sa katotohanan, wala akong masyado mahihain sa iyo. Ang tanging aking mahihain ay ang isang dilatang sardinas na nasa drawer. Nasa pinakababang drawer. Sususian mo pa. Marami nakaukit. Pagbukas mo nandun. Ang expiration date, 1986. Pero wala ni isang bahid ng insekto.
Ay, napagulong na po. Yes, sorry for the rolling over. Thank you. Thank you, searchy number 3.
Okay ka lang?
Let's hear it for searchy number 1.
Ready na po ba? Tik. Okay, kasi pinatay ko lang. Red or white, or do you prefer champagne?
Oh, wow. For the both of us, siguro champagne.
For you muna, later na me.
Okay.
I'm very busy also. I can't cook so much. But all of these things are prepared for you. Pare, pal, babe.
Oh, I have nicknames na.
Yes, add on to dun sa binayad mo earlier to be here. And that's okay because, you know, only the best for our best. Please do not pocket the utensils. You have to return it, okay? And if you need anything, just press the bell.
Nakita mo, wala naman siyang niluto, pero inalok niya kung anong gusto mo.
Correct.
There's still time for one more question, Carly.
Absolutely.
Yes.
We'll talk about my passion.
Okay.
Because I am very passionate about blockchain technology. Okay? Blockchain technology.
Blockchain technology.
And I also love art. So kung kayo ay gagawa ng isang NFT na digital art, ano ang digital art na gagawin mo para sa akin?
Ano ang digital art na gagawin mo? Searchy number 3.
Kung napapansin mo, lumayo ako. Ayoko kasing ma-turn off ka sa akin. Hindi kasi kaaya-aya ang aking amoy. Pero magaling naman din ako sa art. Alam mo yung kwento na napakasikat na may isang lumiliyab na lampara na may apoy. Tapos may lumalapit na gamo-gamo. Gamo-gamo ba yun? Oo.
In one version.
Gamo-gamo. Isang digital art ng kwentong yon. Pero kulay puti lang lahat.
Ay, parang unti-unting nawawala. Parang unti-unting nawawala.
Oh my God. Zhug.
Thank you. Searchy number
Hi.
1.
You called?
Ay,
You can actually use this to choose any which one you want. Okay? Now, I think that you can choose for children, for this country, anything, no? But if you want it to be made by me, Pwede din naman po. But we'll just have to make sure that your seatbelt is fastened because I might take you places with my digital art that you cannot imagine. There will be clouds, there will be things flying through the air, wings like that. Tayo na lang yung pumunta doon. Let's make art with each other.
There you go. Searching number 2. What is your digital art?
Nakaganto. Pwede rin mo ang logo. Pero alam mo, dahil last question na to, magpapakatotoo na din ako. Hindi ako mahilig dyan sa digital art eh. Alam mo bakit?
Bakit?
Kasi mabagal siya bago magkaroon ng value. Ayoko ng mabagal. Ayoko ng mabagal. Pang mabilisan lang ako. Mabilisan! Ayoko ng long distance, long term. Ayoko yun. Ayoko yun. Gusto ko lang short and sweet. 100 meters, ganun. Kayang-kaya ko yun. Anything else na above 100 meters, mahihirapan na tayo dun. So, yun lang ang magagaranti ko sa'yo.
Hinga po kayo, hinga po kayo. Thank you very Ayan. Thank you very much, searching number 1, being prepared. We have come to this point in time when Carly has to choose and also guess who the love of their life is.
Okay, uunahin ko muna yung hindi ko i-date. Usually kasi gusto ko, ako yung mauunang... Pero mukhang pawala na tong si contestant number 3.
Okay.
Hindi pa nga kami nagde-date, nawawala na siya.
Oo.
Sorry, contestant number 3 na nagiging katol.
Medyo malapit-lapit na doon, pero iba ang kulay.
Ba ang kulay ng katol?
Hindi niya kasi nakikita kasi nilagay sa
Ay, oo
cabinet
nga pala.
kanina.
Marami ba siyang mothball?
Oo. Thank you.
Sorry.
Sorry, pero sorry, Sir Mothball, hindi ikaw ang napili.
Sorry.
Mukha ka kasing katol.
Okay lang, nakakahinga na ako ng maayos. Salamat.
Eto nga, yun yung problema ko sana sa contestant number 2. Kasi gusto ko mga long term, pero mukhang inaasma siya agad eh.
Oo.
Oo eh. Mahirap i-date si The Flash na may asthma.
Ay, oo.
Alam mo, babe,
Ano?
cool down na ako.
Cool down.
Cool down na tayo.
Which leads us to your chosen partner, Carly.
Nako, ito na siya. Dati ko pa nagugustuhan yung mga ganyan eh. Ganda-ganda, laging naka-makeup, laging nakaayos. If you don't mind, contestant number 1. Ikaw na ang magiging date kong flight attendant.
Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin ang ating Valentine couple. Love is love is love. Carly and the flight attendant. Thank you. Palakpakan po natin Thea, Happy, Missy, and Aaron, our searcher.
Spit Manila.